Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2009 Nissan Rogue. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your vehicle's headlights. We're doing the passenger side, but the procedure is the same on the driver's side. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you need these parts for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Remove the 8 plastic clips securing the top of the bumper fascia onto the vehicle. You can use a trim tool, needle nose pliers, or a flat blade screwdriver to pop up the center section like this. And it'll grab and pull the entire piece out. And we're going to try to do this without removing the inner wheel well fully. So we have one plastic push pin here, just like the one we had on the top, that you'll want to pop out the same way. Now you should be able to peel back the inner wheel liner just enough to remove this 10mm screw. We'll do that using a 10mm socket and ratchet. We'll then repeat these steps on the opposite side. Remove 6 more plastic push pins on the bottom of the bumper. On this wind dam, we're missing one here. We'll remove those the same way with our trim tool. Remove the 3 T20 torx screws. I'm using a torx screwdriver. You can also use a torx bit and a ratchet. Remove these. And then our vehicle does not have fog lights, but if yours does, your best bet is going to be to peel this back and reach up there to disconnect them. And repeat these steps on the opposite side. Now once everything's detached, you may want the help of a friend to pull the bumper forward and off of its tabs. Don't be afraid to give it a good yank. And place your bumper somewhere safe. The best way to store these is usually like this on a pair of sawhorses or a table large enough to support it. Locate and remove the 4 10mm bolts securing your headlight. The one under the bumper is actually a 10mm nut. We'll remove all of these with a 10mm socket and ratchet. There's also a 10mm bolt under the bottom that you'll need to remove by adding an extension. You may need to lift up on the tab at the top and pull out on the bottom of the fender to get it by. You can now remove your headlight and disconnect all of the connectors on the back. Here we have our old part that we removed from our vehicle and our new part from 1AAuto.com. As you can see, these parts are exactly the same. We have the same 3-bolt mounting locations on the top, same stud on the bottom, and on the very bottom we have the same threaded end where that 5th bolt goes through. The housings themselves and the internals are identical, and you can see the biggest difference here is how beat up the old lens is. It's the main reason we're changing our headlights. Our new headlight already comes with new bulbs and sockets already installed. So if your old headlights are cloudy, fogged up, broken or have moisture in them, this new part from 1A Auto is going to go in direct fit, just like your original equipment, and fix you up right. Reconnect your electrical connectors. And carefully reinstall the headlight. Remember that top tab hooks in. We also need to pull the bottom edge of the fender away some to get the stud to line up. We can then reinstall our 10mm hardware. Using the help of your friend, reinstall the bumper. Make sure the top lines up, and then you'll want to set the sides in and simply pop them into place. Reinstall the 8 plastic trim clips by setting them into the openings and then popping the center section back into place. Reinstall the 10mm bolt into the corner of the bumper at the fender. Then set your wheel liner back into place. Don't forget the plastic clip. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Reinstall the 3 T20 Torx screws on the bottom of the bumper fascia on each side. Also reinstall the 6 plastic clips securing the air dam to the bottom of the bumper fascia. Your headlight adjuster screw is located just behind the turn signal and a little bit lower. You can either adjust it with an 8mm socket and ratchet here, or on the teeth through this channel with a flat blade screwdriver. Now the reason you'll want to check and potentially adjust your headlight aim is because these are sometimes set up for different vehicles. Your suspension may have sagged or sit higher than the vehicle that they were checked on, or they may have just gotten moved around a little bit during shipping. So checking this is a quick and simple procedure to make sure your headlights are aimed and functioning properly. This is a basic tutorial on how to aim the headlights on your vehicle. Find the axis of your headlights. This is usually indicated with a small dot or the headlight bulb size on the lens. If not, it's the actual center point of your headlight bulb. Transfer this mark to a vertical wall with a preferably dark color that'll allow you to back up 25 feet. Pull up and find the center line of your vehicle as well as the center line of your headlight axis. Mark the wall with the height of the headlights and a straight line going across at that axis height. Back your vehicle up 25 feet from the wall to the front edge of your vehicle's headlights. Turn your headlights on and locate the adjusting screw, usually on the back side of your headlights. You'll want to rotate this until the passenger hotspot or focus of the beam is approximately 2 inches below the line and the driver's side is 4 inches below the line. We change the heights on each side so you can still get a good beam to the off side of the road on the passenger side and have the driver's side low enough to not blind oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.